Hey, gadget lovers. Many people these days struggle with the idea of learning music, thinking it requires a huge, expensive piano and years of boring lessons. What they don't realize is that a modern electric keyboard can completely transform that experience, making it fun, accessible, and inspiring from day one. Upgrading from just thinking about music to actually playing it will change your life in ways you didn't know were possible. This is because the best beginner keyboards go far beyond simple toy pianos. They are powerful, all-in-one creative stations, and we have the top 5 options ready and waiting for you. But first of all, make sure to use our links in the description below, because they're going to take you directly to the latest discounts on Amazon for every single product we talk about today. Let's find your perfect keyboard. Let's start our countdown with a fantastic all-around value. At number 5, we have the Bari Donner 61 Key Keyboard Piano, the DEK610S. This is the definition of an all-inclusive starter kit. For just $119.99, it comes with absolutely everything: an easy-to-assemble stand, an adjustable bench, a music stand, a microphone, and a power adapter. Donner provides a complete package so you can start playing the moment it arrives, but it's what's inside the keyboard that really impresses. With 249 different voices and 249 rhythms, the creative possibilities feel almost unlimited. You can experiment with strings, organs, synths, and full band accompaniments. It features 32-note polyphony, which is crucial because it means your notes won't cut off early when you're playing chords or using the sustain feature. For practice, it has a built-in recorder to listen back to your performances, a clear LCD screen to see your settings, and a headphone jack for private sessions. Perhaps best of all, it's equipped with 2 powerful 10-watt speakers that deliver truly room-filling sound. If you want a complete portable kit with strong musical features and great sound right out of the box, the Donner DEK610S is a phenomenal choice that thousands of happy beginners have already chosen. Coming in at number 4 is another top-tier bundle that adds a brilliant feature for total beginners. This is the Best Choice Products 61-key electronic keyboard piano set with lighted keys. Also priced at $119.99, this kit is a direct competitor that swaps a few features to focus on intuitive learning. Its standout advantage is the lighted keys. These keys light up to guide you through songs, which is an incredibly engaging way for a novice to learn melodies and build confidence. It also includes a fantastic bundle: an H-style stand that's very sturdy, a padded stool, a music stand, headphones, and a microphone. Where it matches the Donner is in its vast sound library, offering 255 timbres and 255 rhythms. But it adds a unique and very useful function: a USB music player. You can plug in a flash drive with your favorite songs and play along directly through the keyboard speakers. Its 3-step teaching system with 1-key follow and ensemble modes makes learning interactive and fun. So, if you or your child are a complete beginner who would benefit massively from the visual guidance of lighted keys and the ability to play along with your own music, the Best Choice product set is arguably the most beginner-friendly kit on this list. Stepping into the number 3 spot, we have a trusted name and value: the Amazon Basics 61-key electric keyboard piano. Priced slightly higher at $123.49, this model proves that Amazon's in-house brand delivers serious capability. It comes as a comprehensive kit with headphones, a sheet music stand, power adapter, and even helpful note stickers for the keys. It boasts the same high level of sound variety as the others, with 255 timbres and 255 rhythms, plus 50 demo songs with built-in lessons. It has all the essentials: a clear LCD display, a headphone jack for private practice, and built-in speakers. What sets the Amazon Basics keyboard apart is its focus on being a straightforward, reliable, and highly portable instrument. It strips away some of the extra bundled furniture to emphasize the keyboard itself as a quality, no-nonsense tool for learning. It's an Amazon's Choice product with great reviews from buyers who appreciate its simplicity and effectiveness. If you want a trusted brand, a clean setup without a bulky stand if you don't need it, and a keyboard that excels at the core fundamentals of sound and portability, the Amazon Basics model is a brilliantly solid and reliable choice. Now for our number 2 pick, we're looking at the absolute best-selling phenomenon in the category. This is the RockJam RJ 7.6 161 Key Keyboard Piano Super Kit. This isn't just a popular keyboard, it's the number 1 bestseller in portable keyboards on Amazon for a reason, with over 45,000 stellar reviews. Starting at $139.99 for the kit with a sustain pedal and headphones, it represents a slight step up in investment for a feature-rich experience. The RockJam 761 comes in several variations, but the Super Kit we're highlighting includes a touch display for incredibly easy navigation through its 200 sounds and 200 rhythms. It has powerful learning functions, 30 demo songs, and vital features like record and playback. A major professional advantage is its MIDI output, allowing you to connect it directly to music production software on your computer, making it a gateway to music creation far beyond just practicing. It can be powered by the included adapter or by batteries, making it the ultimate portable option for playing anywhere. The RockJam has achieved its massive popularity by perfectly balancing beginner-friendly features, like an included lesson program with pro-level connectivity. If you want the reassurance of buying the crowd favorite, a keyboard kit that has launched countless musical journeys and can grow with you into digital music production, the RockJam RJ 761 is the undisputed king of the hill. Finally, we arrive at our number 1 pick, and this is for the individual who is truly serious about learning piano properly. This is the Yamaha P45B 88-key weighted action digital piano. Now at $399.99, this is in a different league and price point than our other entries, and for a very important reason. This isn't just a keyboard, it's a digital piano. The most critical difference is its 88 full-sized, graded hammer standard keys. This means the keys are weighted to feel like a real acoustic piano, heavier in the low end and lighter in the high end. This builds proper finger strength and technique from the very beginning, something no 61-key unweighted keyboard can offer. It has Yamaha's renowned realistic piano sound built in, along with a few other essential voices. It includes a sustain pedal, a music rest, and has simple USB connectivity. Its built-in speakers are clear and powerful. The Yamaha P45B is the instrument you buy when you are committed to learning the piano correctly. It removes the limitations of smaller, lighter keyboards and provides an authentic playing experience that will serve you for years. If your goal is to genuinely learn piano, and you're ready for an investment that mimics the feel and response of an acoustic piano, the Yamaha P45B is the absolute gold standard and our top recommendation.